So I'll be talking about central line care bundles. As we have seen in the previous class, as told by Dr. HMM also that we have various definitions of CLABSI. And so I will be talking about what is the definition of bundle here. So as we have already known from Dr. Ashutosh also, a bundle is defined as a combination of evidence-based interventions that are provided, followed collectively and reliably. So it is actually a combination of different interventions which are proven to improve patient outcomes. So the specific learning objectives will be bundle care definition, components of bundle care, which includes insertion, maintenance, and hub care, evidences about bundle care, and take-home messages. So this is these are all the essential components of insertion bundle. Like first step is we have to establish a central line kit or cart so as to keep all the necessary items at one in one tray, and then followed by that with the we have been talking of the whole day about the importance of hand hygiene. So this is the one of the most important steps to prevent the infection. Then maximal barrier precautions, then chlorhexidine skin preparations. And we have to minimize the number of access points whenever we are going to insert a central line catheter. There should be sterile, transparent dressings, or we can use sterile gauze piece also. The optimum site selection, usually the upper limb veins are preferred over the lower limb veins. And we have to ensure that the catheter is at the correct position. And okay. एंड तो बेसिकली शुरू में लाइक जैसे बताया है कि पहले एक किट हमारे पास होना चाहिए जिसमें कि सारा हमने सामान इकट्ठा कर लिया है सेंट्रल लाइन इंसर्शन के लिए, और हैंड हाइजीन की जैसे हम बात कर रहे हैं मॉर्निंग से, सो ये सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट स्टेप है. सब्सिक्वेंट स्लाइड्स में आएगा भी कि व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट टेक्निक्स ऑफ हैंड हाइजीन. और उसके बाद हमको क्लोरहेक्सिडीन से बेबी का स्किन प्रिपेयर करना है. एंड देन जो भी एक्सेस पॉइंट्स है वो मिनिमम होना चाहिए, और जहाँ पे भी हमको ड्रेसिंग करना है दैट शुड बी विजिबल, वो हमको प्रॉपरली देखना है ठीक से. और यूजुअली अपर लिप, बिकॉज देयर आर चांसेस ऑफ कि थ्रोम्बोज हो जाते हैं बिकॉज द बेबीज आर लाइंग इन अ पर्टिकुलर पोजीशन, लाइक अगर वेंटिलेटेड है, अगर सेंट्रल लाइन का जरूरत है, so that there is we can avoid the risk of thrombosis. So here comes the utility of this statement that upper limb veins, जो ऊपर की जो upper limb veins है, that are more important than the lower limb veins. ठीक है. और कैथेटर का टिप है ये सही पोजीशन में होना चाहिए, वो हम बाद में एक्सरे या अल्ट्रासाउंड से हम कंफर्म कर सकते हैं. So this is in short about the bundle approach जो हम बात कर रहे हैं. Hand hygiene, as has been talked in the various lectures from the morning, this is the most common mode of transmission is via hand. So this step we have to take utmost care that whenever we are doing a procedure, we have to ensure that hand hygiene is practiced. So there are two situations here. अगर आपके हाथ गंदे हैं, then you have to use hand wash. And if your hands are not soiled, in that case you have to use alcohol based hand rubs. So these are the differences between कि जब आपके हाथ गंदे हैं versus साफ हैं. So these are the hand hygiene steps given from World Health Organization in 2009. तो इसमें 5 steps हैं जैसे हम देख रहे हैं डायग्राम में. One is, एक है पेशेंट को छूने से पहले, एक है बिफोर कोई प्रोसीजर करने से पहले, एक है आफ्टर हमने कोई बॉडी फ्लूइड से हमें एक्सपोजर हुआ है, एक है one was before, so you can remember it, one is after. So one is after the patient, and on also surroundings, like in a baby, suppose you touch the ventilator, you touch the warmer, so after that also, because before going to the next baby की तरफ जाएंगे, तो इसीलिए after touching the patient surroundings also it is important. So this is one of the steps which we usually छूट जाता है, तो ये याद रखना है. So these are the procedures of basically ये comparison है diagram में कि hand rub and hand wash का. So hand rub जैसे बताया कि alcohol based formulation से करते हैं, और hand wash that is with soap and water. और these are the various steps जो कि enumerate किए गए 1A, 1B, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So hand wash हमको 40 to 60 seconds तक करना है, and hand rub is half of that, 20 to 30 seconds. So these are the maximum barrier precautions as I talked about in the points of the insertion bundle में कि आपके पास एक head cap होना चाहिए. You have to wear a mask with a sterile gown and sterile gloves. So line insertion side should be visible. देखना है जैसे आप left side of diagram में देख रहे हैं, that is the correct thing because उसमें दिख रहा है कि where is the line inserted. But in the right जो diagram is you are not able because the site उसमें देख रहे हैं that is covered with the dressing. So उसमें line insertion site should be visible. That is important because any type of जो भी extravasation या swelling redness तो वो उससे appreciate हो जाएगा. So that should always be visible to you. And the line side should be clean. Now coming to the next bundle. So after insertion bundle comes the maintenance bundle. So as हमने देखा है कि hand hygiene is important in insertion bundle also. So simultaneously in the next step also we have to start from hand hygiene. और हर रोज हमको देखना है कैथेटर जहाँ पे लगाया है कि उसमें कोई signs of infection तो नहीं हो रहा है जैसे clinically भी if the baby is having fever or if the site में वहाँ पे swelling आ रहा है redness आ रहा है तो ये हमको हर रोज देखना है. And अगर dressing damp हो गया है or it is soiled so we have to उसको change करना है हमको and we have to do it in a sterile manner. Aseptic precautions maintain करना है. And also standardized intravenous tubings we have to use. And this the जो technique हम बताने जा रहे हैं ये scrub job. So this is one of the most important I can say the points in maintenance bundle. So आगे बताएंगे कि 15 seconds का duration होता है at least. And then we have to maintain a bundle card. उसमें सारा जो points है that have to be written और वो हमको हर रोज देखना है कि whether those all points are being followed or not. So this is the last of the elements of the bundle, which is the hub care bundle after insertion bundle and maintenance bundle. So यहाँ पर भी we have to make sure that our hands are clean with soap and water. We have then the next step will be putting on the gloves और sterile field हमको access पूरा port में पूरा sterile field हमको करना है. And then we have to make sure that we are not placing syringes like here and there. It has to be on the edge of the sterile field. And this step, the scrub. So as per protocol, the least timing जो होता है 15 seconds. Somewhere you can also do it for 30 seconds, but the minimum duration scrub the hub so that उसका duration at least 15 seconds. And then you have to dry भी उसको जैसे आपको scrub कर रहे हैं तो ऐसा नहीं कि आपने तुरंत connect कर दिया. So let it dry and then you have to connect the port. So this is the way of scrubbing the hub for 15 seconds. So every day we should ask the question that when can the catheter be removed, because that is ideal for the baby. So whenever it is not required, then we have to remove it. So this is one of the compliance tool checklist. So as you can see, all the details have to be written like insertion date, कब हमने डाला है, and what is the time, and the name of who is doing the procedure. And then there are various options like central line catheter type, what type of lines are you using, कौन सा आप कर रहे हैं, then before the procedure. So basically it is a collection of all the bundles, insertion points taken from maintenance and insertion bundles जो कि यहाँ पे एक checklist बन गया उसकी. So evidences are there are lack of studies which compare the use of chlorhexidine formulations with alcohol or povidone iodine, that is betadine with alcohol preparations. So as we have seen in last lecture taken by Dr. Richa also, that the US FDA recommends that आपको use तो कर सकते हैं, but it has to use with caution and care under 2 months of age, this chlorhexidine. So there was a collaborative, that is the slug bug collaborative. This is standard line under care guideline recommendations. This was done in 18 hospitals, NICUs, US का study था. So इसमें they had taken 8 groups to compare. काफी सारे techniques उन्होंने लिए थे, जैसे tubing change technique, hub care monitoring and central venous care monitoring. So what they found out, उन्होंने ये result ये आया था कि अगर आप हब स्क्रब कंप्लायंस मॉनिटरिंग कर रहे हैं along with sterile tube change, तो उससे कम से कम 1.25% से रेट कम हो जाएगा. And that already explained as Dr. Richa in the last class also, that we have to take per line days, 1000 line days here. So this is also, ये एक और study था which was published by Zhou et al in 21. इसमें जैसे if you see the statement here, so this is important, like chlorhexidine cleansing has no effect on the neonatal sepsis, but was effective. वो effective हो रहा था कि बेबी का जो स्किन बैक्टीरिया जहाँ पे इंसर्शन किया है वहां से कोलोनाइजेशन को कम करने के लिए एंड क्लैप्सी रेट्स को भी कम किया. सो ये यूजुअली एक फॉरेस्ट प्लॉट होता है. इसमें जो आप ब्लैक रंग का जो नीचे वाला जो डायमंड देख रहे हैं, ये एक होता है लाइन ऑफ नो इफेक्ट, जो एक वर्टिकल लाइन बनाया गया है. तो अगर ये इसको क्रॉस करता है, इसका मतलब कि ये इतना इफेक्टिव नहीं है. सो दैट इज व्हाई वो जो स्टेटमेंट ऊपर लिखा हुआ है कि न्यूनेटल सेप्सिस पे फर्क नहीं पड़ा है. बट आप जब अगर ये नीचे का प्लॉट देखेंगे तो उसमें जो सबसे नीचे जो काला वाला जो डायमंड है वो लेफ्ट की तरफ है, वो उस लाइन को टच नहीं कर रहा है. तो इसका मतलब आप जो नीचे देखेंगे उसमें लिखा हुआ है फेवर्स एक्सपेरिमेंटल. सो दैट इज व्हाई इट हैज बीन शोन कि अगर आप क्लोरहेक्सिडिन क्लींसिंग यूज करेंगे तो वो बैक्टीरियल कोलोनाइजेशन को इंप्रूव करेगा. So take home messages are that central line care bundles are what most importance for prevention of infection, and hand hygiene is the cornerstone step in all the bundle components. And we have to scrub the hub for 15 seconds, which is the most important step as far as maintenance bundle components are there. Thank you.